Hello, Selcom Pre-Prep. Welcome back to school. I've got Django here. He's got the hump a bit. Here's Django. Say hello, Django. Django decided he would come and welcome you back to school too. I hope this video finds you safe and happy and well, and I hope you've all had a really lovely half term. Different times, different learning, but same expectations. And that's my message today. Different times. I know it's very odd at the moment. We're not at school. We're not in the Salcombe Pre-Preps hall having our assembly. We're all online and you're watching this video message. So that means because we're not at school, the learning is going to be different. We're not in our classrooms with our teachers. We're learning online. So there's going to be lots of videoing, lots of video messages and audible messages that your teachers are going to be uploading for you to carry on your learning. It's going to be a bit different. Yeah, it is going to be a bit different. But our expectations are still the same. Mrs. Catlin's expectations are still the same. So when you upload your work, once your teachers have set it, they'll be responding to it and marking it in exactly the same way as you do in school. They'll put www, what went well, and they'll put a comment. And they may be putting EBI, even better if. Now, remember, EBIs are where you work in green pen normally. So think of it like that this is your green pen. How can you make this work better? Those expectations are still there. They are still exactly the same as if you were working in school. I want your handwriting to still look beautiful. Remember, any lesson that we do, any writing that we should be practicing our beautiful handwriting. Entry flicks in, exit flicks out. Okay, remembering the letters should be the same size. Capital letters, full stops, finger spaces, all the usual things that you put in your writing, I expect to still see in your writing, and so do your teachers. We can all look at your work, so remember, high expectations. The other thing I want you to remember is that I want you to work your hardest. Try your hardest. Now that's going to be very different at home because you haven't got your teachers there to keep reminding you and encouraging you. But you have got your grown-ups, okay? So I would like you to try your hardest. Remembering that's one of our golden rules, isn't it? We try our hardest. That power of yet. If you struggle, if you find it difficult, remember that's okay because that's how we learn, isn't it? But it's that power of yet. I can't do it yet. And we all know, what do we have to do if we can't do it yet, Django? We keep practicing, don't we? We keep practicing. And by keep practicing, we get there. We become familiar with it. It becomes habit. So keep practicing, keep trying your hardest. I want you also to remember the other golden rules. We are gentle. We are kind and helpful. Now the kind and helpful one can work with your grown-ups as well. Remember, while you're at home with them, you can be kind and helpful to your grown-ups. We listen. Now, you're not going to have your teachers at school to listen to, other than the video messages they send you, but your grown-ups will be there to help you. So I want you to listen to your grown-ups, okay? Follow what they say. They're there to help you. We look after property. Make sure before you start your day, you've got everything you need. Pencils, papers, ruler, green pen maybe. Make sure you've got everything ready. Look after it. That helps keep you organised. Staying safe. That's my next message. I would like you to remember to stay safe online. Online learning is very different. I don't want you at the front of a screen for the whole day. So a lot of your work that teachers set you will be that you've got to go off and do something. You've got to practice something. Okay, I know my forest school lessons are not online at all because we all need some offline time. Okay, computers are not there to be used all the time. They make our eyes go funny. So, screen time. Also, if anything happens on your computer that you're unsure of and that you're not happy with, please remember to go and find a grown-up and say, I'm not sure what's happened here. The grown-ups will help you because our role is to make sure you're safe online. Okay? And if you're not happy with anything, you can always ask your grown-ups to contact Parents at. Okay? The teachers are here to help you. We can only help you if you keep in touch with us. So, Parents at is the email address if your parents need to contact any of the teachers. We're going to be putting form time in. Form time is going to be really exciting. That is going to be an opportunity where we can have a dialogue. We can communicate with each other by taking turns to talk. It again is going to be online. So we're going to be putting form time on. Watch this space. We'll tell you how it's going to work. Make sure you're working to the best of your ability. I know this is going to be very different. The teachers are going to be doing a register just as if we're coming to school. So make sure you're on school on time. Make sure you log on every day, morning and afternoon. Make sure you do your lessons and submit your work back. Okay, teachers will be keeping a record of that. Look after yourselves, stay happy, stay safe, and we'll see you hopefully back at school properly very, very soon. Cheerio for now. Speak to you next Monday at the assembly. Take care. Bye.